Hi guys, it's the big day. I'm getting my Shipt package. I'm super excited and I'm here to share with you my journey. So I hope to hear what you have to say about Shipt. If any of you have been Shipt workers, applied for Shipt, or were curious about it. As you might know, you may or may not know, Shipt is a food delivery service, mostly grocery stores. I think CVS is on their roster and a couple of other places. And a Shipt shopper basically gets paid to go shopping, pick up your goods, and drop them off at the client's home. And it just makes things a little easier if you have a very busy schedule, or as of filming right now, you're dealing with COVID-19 and you don't want to be exposed. A Shipt shopper can help you. And so that's what I signed up to do as a little side gig, to check it out. So I'll let you know how it goes. As you see, I just got, let's see, can you see that? That's my package from Shipt. So we're gonna see what they've given me. And I know it doesn't sound as exciting as like unboxing toys and, stuff that kids get a chance to unbox, but this is adult living, right? So let's see. Okay, so let's see what's in this package. All right, so the first thing is this. Okay, it talks about welcome to the team. I'm part of the family, and I get a little nice note from the CEO, Kelly Caruso. Thank you. Hi, Kelly. Thank you so much for that. Let's see. I also am going to get, oh, nice, a little Shipt shirt. You get to order it in your size, so get it in your size. I'm hoping I might need to lose a little weight to fit this one. But I have it, so, incentive. And plus, the more you do Shipt, the more steps you get. So if you're looking for something to keep you healthy, that's great, right? And then, I get my Shipt shopper card, and I'm just gonna show you that really quick. Don't try to take the numbers, it's not gonna help you. I'm just gonna say I lost it, and then, we'll just have to do it over again. But you get a debit Visa card and a little welcome to Shipt. I'm assuming, some terms and conditions that come with the card. So let's see what's in this. Okay, so let me read this to you. It says, welcome to the Shipt team. On behalf of all of us at Shipt headquarters, we're thrilled to welcome you to our Shipt family. Well, thank you. Thanks so much, Kelly. You are now a part of a select exclusive group of Shipt shoppers nationwide. And let me tell you, they do actually have a little interview process, because they do want to see if you have any customer service skills, dealing with issues. So you do actually have to take a little quiz to get onto Shipt. But I think it's worth it, and I've heard really good things about it. Did you know, they just said right here, in fact, do you know we only accept 8 to 10% of the applicants? So yeah, so, it's kind of a big deal. So if you have good customer service skills, I would say go ahead and apply for Shipt. The other thing is, you got to inbox, answers to your questions, set up the app, create your own schedule. So I get to put down when I want to work and begin planning ahead. And then there's 24/7 support. So I already have the app. I'll show that to you guys in another segment. But yeah, so now I'm part of the Shipt family. So if you had any questions about Shipt, you could go ahead and post them below, or if you wanted to join, you can join with my ambassador code below, and you can become a Shipt shopper too. It's a great way to make spare money, a great way to get out of the house, a great way to shop without spending your own money. You know, we don't get a chance to do that as much as we would like, and so that's why that was one of my incentives to become a Shipt shopper, as well as to help people that are homebound due to whatever issues that they have right now. As this is being filmed, you know, we do have COVID-19, but if you're watching this and COVID-19 has blown over, it's still a great way to shop. It helps a lot of people that just don't have time to go to the grocery store, and it puts a little money in your pocket. So thanks so much, guys. Have a good day. Bye.